Good day to you all. My name is Masimba and I'm in the construction industry. Today I'm going to demonstrate on how to install our cornices at Kaylite Kings. I'm going to show you on how to apply Cornice adhesive on our cornices. And normally our cornices are 2.4 per length. So today I'm going to demonstrate using a smaller one. Yes, so what you will only need is we need a Cornice adhesive and a small thing to apply. So what you basically need is you take just a little bit, then apply it on the cornice about 5 to 10 centimeters apart. You apply another about 5 to 10 centimeters apart. You apply another one 5 to 10 centimeters. You apply 5 to 10 centimeters. You apply 5 to 10 centimeters. You apply. Then you go to the bottom as well. Same applies like the top.
And you're using about between a teaspoon and a tablespoon for each spot.
Yes, for each part.
Cornice.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Right. When you are through, you take your cornice and don't apply too much because the cornice will break because of the weight.
Okay, so the cornice is quite lightweight and the glue is
Yes.
quite heavy.
Yes.
Thanks.
Right. Then you take it to the ceiling. Then you take it to the position. Then you press on those positions where the adhesive is.
Yes.
Lightly and gently. You apply. Right. After applying, there is some of the adhesive that is splashed
Yes.
on the cornice. Then you take your right finger and then you just spread along to cover some of those gaps between 5 to 10 centimeters.
Yes.
Same applies to the bottom. You apply, and that's it. And after applying it, basically you must paint the wall, but normally use PVA water-based paint only.
Okay.
Yes. thank you.
Perfect. And does that stay white or does it dry clear?
It dries clear.
Okay. And it's a quick drying.
Yeah, it's a quick
Correct.
drying.
So that will be fine for a 2.4 meter length.
Yes, that will be fine for 2.4 meter length.
Fantastic. And then, Masimba, just a quick on the joints between lengths.
Between length, yes. On the joints between length, you just take a finger, then apply a little bit of it. Then you take the next length,
Yes.
then you join together. And the other one must have glue as well, so they can bond.
Fabulous. Thank you.